Alright, how's it going? Got a little unboxing here. What do we got? One of these things. And a couple of these things. So, set those aside. That's already been opened. That's beautiful. Let's see if this works. Huh, kind of doesn't work unless I'm doing it wrong. Yeah, it doesn't really. This guy lied to me. Alright, let's see. Hold on. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Set up with some Balisongs. There we go. That looks alright. Looks alright. Yeah. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, kind of. It's not too bad. Kind of doesn't display them too well. See, maybe I can. Waiting for all these knives to come falling down on me. Alright, there you go. That's not too bad. For $10 you get 2 of these. So you can fit about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 if you can fit one down here. But yeah, pretty cool. Don't have to keep them locked up in the case. You can just grab them off of here, hopefully fairly easily, without disturbing the other ones. And get to flipping. So yeah, pretty cool. Check it out on Amazon. I'll leave a link into the description. Yeah, I'll do an update video once I use this thing a bit more. And I'm going to do a separate video on what's in here. Take a guess. But yeah, that's it for this one. See ya. Alright, what's up, flippers? Here with a quick little video on a little Balisong stand. Another little thing that I saw on a post online. Someone mentioned, you know, cheap pencil stand from Amazon doubles as a halfway decent Balisong stand. Let's see if I shake this. Okay, that's pretty good actually. So I was setting this up earlier, and they're tending to fall off on me. But I kind of moved them around on these last two. I mean, you really can't put like a Balisong there at all. But on this one, it's like these are like curved backwards, so it gives it more space to fit in there. But this one is so shallow that only fits in there like that pretty much. Any other way, it'll fall out. The squiddy is so light that it'll just stay there. But yeah, pretty much any other Balisong. I haven't tried too many of these other ones, but yeah, pretty much any other one that you try to put down here is not gonna fit. So just be cautious of that. But hey, even if you know all your Balisongs are too big, you still got 4 Balisongs. So it's $10, and it comes with both of these actually. So it's about $5 each. Yeah, $5 to hold 4 Balisongs. That's not too bad. I'll have the link down below if you're interested. Let's give it a little shake test. Oh, so I knocked the blade right here, but yeah, this Falcon. It's not. There we go. Let's try right there. There. All right. Shake test. So yeah, it's sliding off if you shake it, but that's pretty extreme conditions or extreme situation there. But yeah, really nice. I like this how it's just clear plastic, so you don't really mind it too much. Doesn't take away any too much attention from the Balisongs there. But yeah, I like this because instead of all the different cases I have, like this one I have a video on from Hobby Lobby. This is a nice travel case, but but it's annoying to have to, this thing is so tight. Oh, I don't want to drop that box. The little straps in there are so tight, it's annoying to take them in and out. So this is a cool way to display them all on the desk or, dresser, drawer, whatever. And also semi-easily, because like I said, especially this one down there. I mean, that one, yeah, I can take on and off. That one, boom. And these up here obviously have a lot more room and space. See, got my heaviest Balisong, the Lucha, chilling up there. Let's try a knockback test. So I'm gonna knock back with my thumb and then hopefully catch it with my. So I'm gonna start off low. If I try to knock it back, all right, I'm gonna tilt it a little bit. Yeah, it's not really wanting to tilt. It has this nice curved base right here, so all that pressure or all that weight is kind of centered pretty nicely down here. So yeah, actually a lot better than I was thinking and I originally thought when I started messing with this thing. So yeah, I would give it a nice 7 out of 10, because I definitely want to create my own Balisong displays in the future, maybe for the wall, but maybe just for the desktop like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.